Hair loss is a really real thing, and I think that it's at a point in our community where locks once used to be a thing where people got it because they wanted the hair freedom and they wanted their hair to be healthy but also look really good. And we've shifted to an era where we're becoming obsessed with the aesthetic of things instead of actually considering the overall health. And it's been my concern more than ever in my time in being a loctician of the hair loss epidemic that is actually currently presently happening. So many people are becoming obsessed with the way that their locks look, the neatness of them, the grid patterns, the amount of locks that they have, that people aren't really realizing and witnessing that they are compromising their literal health to maintain some of these very vain and unnecessary things. If I could urge anyone, and in this video I'm fully aware is something that will likely be brushed off and not make sense for most people, but I do hope and I do urge people to save this, because again, hair loss is something that is slow in progression, and you may not realize it today and you may not realize it tomorrow, but a lot of the styles that people are wearing are eventually going to lead to hair loss. So be aware of how you're having your hair maintained, be aware of who is maintaining your hair, and really always keep a close look at your hair. Hair loss is a really real thing, and